My name is Lisa Condrat. I'm the director of ReChaco. I've been with the company for 21 years.
Hey, I'm Fernando Ramirez of Fair Studio, and I help Chaco design the space.
We do repairs, customs, special makeups, and collaborations. So the new factory space, it's just amazing and something we've been waiting for a while.
So the vision for the space really started with the workers that were going to occupy the space, looking into what Chaco was and where it was born. It was a good kind of co-creation that we did, good collaboration. They put faith in me to kind of balance that.
There's just lots of fun places to hang out in this factory.
I think the training space is probably my favorite space, but it's because we use so many custom pieces in it. Yeah, we utilize the Chaco strapping. We've done it in a few. Yeah, this one's a little bit over the top, but I like it. I'm gonna have to take me home a pair.